So today I am going to start vitamins, a topic under biomolecules. So vitamins are regarded as essential food factors. These are the organic compounds other than carbohydrate, proteins and fat that are necessary to maintain normal health, growth and nutrition. Most of the vitamins cannot be synthesized in our body, but plants can synthesize almost all of them. Bacteria of the gut can produce some of the vitamins required by us. Excess of vitamins is called hypervitaminosis. It is harmful. So vitamin pills should not be taken without the advice of doctors. Absence of vitamins is called avitaminosis. First, for vitamin, the term was given as vitamin, means vital amine, because earlier identified compounds had amino group, that means NH2 group. Later work, most of the vitamins did not contain amino group, so the letter E was dropped, and now vitamin becomes vitamin. Vitamin was discovered by Casimir Funk. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are classified into two types: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fats or oils but insoluble in water. Examples are vitamin A, D, E, K. So we can remember the shortcut vitamin ADEK. They are stored in liver and adipose tissue. Adipose tissue are fat storing tissues. Water soluble vitamins. They are soluble in water but they are not soluble in fats or oils. Examples are vitamin B complex, vitamin C. They must be supplied regularly in diet because excess of water soluble vitamin will be excreted through urine. Human beings and other animals can synthesize only a few vitamins, but plants can synthesize almost all vitamins. Human body can synthesize vitamin A from carotene. Carotene is present in carrots. So beta carotene is the precursor of vitamin A. Vitamin A is also called retinol. Some vitamins of B complex family and vitamin K can be synthesized by microorganisms present in the intestinal tract. Vitamin D is produced in our skin when sterols present in the skin are exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is also called sunshine vitamin. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is also called retinol. The important sources of vitamin A are milk, butter, egg yolk, fish, cod liver oil, green and yellow vegetables. The deficiency disease caused due to lack of vitamin A is night blindness, xerophthalmia, that is cornea become opaque, and drying of skin. Vitamin B1, also called thiamine, it is present in unpolished rice, whole cereals, yeast, liver, milk, green vegetables and fruits. Lack of vitamin B1 causes beriberi, loss of appetite. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is also called riboflavin. It is present in egg white, liver, milk, green leafy vegetables. Deficiency disease caused due to lack of vitamin B2 is cracked lips, also called cheilosis, digestive disorders and burning sensation of skin. Vitamin B6. It is also called pyridoxine. It is present in yeast, milk, egg yolk, cereals and gram. Deficiency disease due to lack of vitamin B6 is nervous disturbances, convulsions. Vitamin B12. It is also called cyanocobalamin. It contains cyanide cobalt linkage. It is a coordination compound of cobalt. It is present in meat, fish, eggs and curd. Lack of vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia. That means RBC is deficient in hemoglobin. As we know, red blood corpuscles contains hemoglobin in it. If the number of hemoglobin decreases, then it cannot bind excuse me, it cannot bind more oxygen, and as deficiency of oxygen will be there in the body and lack of energy will be there. So vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid. It is a sugar acid. It is present in citrus fruits, amla and green leafy vegetables. Amla is regarded as the richest source of vitamin C. Deficiency diseases. Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy, that means bleeding gums. Vitamin D. It is also called calciferol. It is also called sunshine vitamin. So important sources of vitamin D are exposure to sunlight, fish and egg yolk. In children, there is a bone deformity that is called rickets, but in adults, osteomalacia is called. Soft bones and joint pain in adults. So lack of vitamin D results into some of the bone deformities like rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E. It is also called tocopherol. It is an anti-sterility vitamin. Chief sources of vitamin E are vegetable oils like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, etc. Lack of vitamin E causes muscular weakness, impotency. That means lack of sexual powers of reproduction. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is also called phylloquinone. The important sources of vitamin K includes leafy vegetables, fish, meat, oils of grains and cereals. Deficiency disease caused due to lack of vitamin K, that is increased blood clotting time, that is tendency of hemorrhage. It is a hemophilia-like disorder. As we know, hemophilia is a genetical disease, whereas increased blood clotting time here is a physiological disease that is caused due to lack of vitamin K. Generally, the clotting time is 2 to 7 minutes, but due to lack of vitamin K, the blood does not clot. That means there is an increased blood clotting time. Let's see few important questions. Question 14.19 from NCERT. How are vitamins classified? As we know that vitamins are classified into two different categories, fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fats and oil and insoluble in water, whereas water soluble vitamins are soluble in water but insoluble in fats and oils. Name the vitamin responsible for the coagulation of blood. As we know, the vitamin responsible for coagulation of blood is vitamin K, also called phylloquinone. 14.20 of NCERT. Why are vitamins vitamin A and C essential to us? As we know, vitamin A is required for proper vision, proper eyesight, and vitamin C is essential for protecting us from common cold and cough, as well as keeping our gums healthy. The important sources of vitamin A is cod liver oil. For vitamin C, it is green leafy vegetables, citrus fruit, etc. Name a water soluble vitamins. Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. A fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin which causes osteomalacia. So lack of vitamin D causes osteomalacia. Let's see few questions. Deficiency of riboflavin causes dash. Question number 2. A good source of vitamin A and vitamin D is dash. Ascorbic acid is called. Question number 4. Continuous bleeding from injured part of body is due to the deficiency of. 5th. Scurvy is a disease caused by dash. Cobalt containing vitamin is dash. A vitamin which is neither soluble in oil nor in water. So these are the homeworks for you. I hope you will be able to solve this. Okay. So after going through this video, you will be able to solve most of the question related to vitamins. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.